And hey guys, we're now on the opposite side of the Disney Springs. We're actually on the landing side and the marketplace side, right next to T-Rex, the restaurant. And this is an idea of what you guys are gonna see. So we're back over at the paddlefish boat area. And we're gonna start from over here and make our way around the landing area and the marketplace area now. So you guys are gonna walk around from the paddlefish and you guys are gonna see the old T-Rex, and directly in front of us will be the World of Disney area and the Lego shop. But this is the T-Rex restaurant over here. So when you guys are coming up, I'll show you the menu real quick before we head on over. This gives you an idea what you're gonna look and what you're gonna see. And you're gonna need to make some reservations to get in here. Always keep an eye on this because these restaurants will fill up quick just because they're themed and stuff like that. But you guys can see in the distance there, that's the Lego building. And in the distance you got the Rainforest Cafe. So if you head to the right, that's going to take you right over to where the you got the Harley Davidson shop, the Ron John shop, the Orange Garage, and of course over this direction you've got the T-Rex there, which is a better look at that restaurant. And we're gonna head on over towards the Lego shop over here. So the Lego store and the Rainforest. You've got the Earl of Sandwich, the World of Disney. You've got the little carousel over in this direction. You've got the little train in this section. And they've got a new little statue up here sitting on the bench. A second, I'll get around this pole and give you guys a better look. And there you go, and that's from the new Elemental. You want to say Elements, but Elemental, tongue-twisting name to a movie. It's actually a really good movie. If you guys haven't seen that, my whole family, we went out and saw it. That's an awesome movie. It's really nice. For a change, you got something you go out and it's good from the beginning till the end. There's some of the waterway. That's a bridge right there, and we're gonna head over this way quick and we'll make our way around back over to the Lego building. But this is gonna take us over to the Rainforest Cafe, Earl of Sandwich area. And this is a big loop, so you guys can either take this bridge or you can walk around the way we were just looking and going straight around that way, and it'll bring you around the other way, so you'll be coming across this bridge the opposite direction. You guys looking out over there, you got Saratoga out there, you got the paddlefish. And now when you guys are actually coming out of here, what you're gonna notice is you've got the waterway where you're gonna see the cars actually coming around from the boathouse. And the cars are actually going to make their way around there, do a big loop of this area, and then they're going to head on back over to the boathouse. But right now, you don't see anything out there, but we're going to make our way. Later on, they'll be open. We're here early, so when you're here before like 11 o'clock, you're not really going to see much, and that's why nobody's here. But it is a lot slower lately, so you're not seeing a lot of people, but we're getting a little closer to the Rainforest. Now we're gonna try to get into the Rainforest today. I'm gonna try to get into the T-Rex, get some fresh videos. I got a lot of people asking me to at least get into the Rainforest, and I got a couple that want me to just go through and do the restaurant side of T-Rex. Now, not all the time do they let me go in there, but today, hopefully we're gonna have some good luck and we'll get some videos of that for you guys posted out there. And there's a look around the actual waterway here. You used to be able to actually go right up to that with boats and stuff like that. Now it's all closed off and it's a little like lake area there. And as looking back, you can see the Lego building. And then you can see the big building right there. That's the World of Disney. So, and you'll notice that by the big stitch hanging over the front entranceway. And a lot of times he's spraying the water down underneath you or on top of you there from up above. And then the Rainforest. Now when you guys get over here different times of the day, once they open up, you're going to see the volcano going off, and you'll see the fire and the smoke shooting at it so you hear a lot of noise. That's really cool. I got a video of that posted. So that, I believe, is every 30 minutes on the hour that happens. And you can be standing right where I am right now, and that heat, you can feel the heat off of that volcano right where you are. So They're using some serious gas in there, boy. Yeah, it's really hot. So that flame is hot. And you guys are going to see the lava lounge right there to the left. That's actually connected to the rainforest. So when you're at the rainforest, it's around the left side. You're going to walk around down in there. And currently that's all shut down. So that's not open to the public yet. It'll be open a little bit later. And we're actually almost over the bridge now. And you can see in the distance, you've got the over to the very left. You're going to see, as you're getting up here, the Days of Christmas store. You've got the candy company. And around that, the Days of Christmas store, you're going to go around, and they've actually got the Earl of Sandwich right behind it. The Art of Disney to the left, right behind the Rainforest Cafe. And here's a better look now. We're getting into the rainforest area. Now this right now, once again, it's nothing special right now. We're here really early, so not everything's turned on. I noticed they do have the water out of the alligator area here, or the crocodile area, so that's not even, the crocodile's actually working, but the water's not in there. Usually they have the waterfalls and stuff in there, so I don't know if it's off because we're here early or they're doing something with it. But that's the store right there in the rainforest. They've got their menu posted outside. There's your Goofy Candy Company. Now, when you're walking over, it says Candy Company, but when you get underneath it, you know it's the Goofy Candy Company. And then there's your Days of Christmas store right there. And around to the left is going to be the Art of Disney. So you've got the rainforest sign right here, the main entrance. And once again, that's usually got water and stuff like that, but it's down. I don't know if it's because we're early or what's up with that, but it's turned off currently. But if you guys get a chance, my advice to come visit these places, usually I like it afternoon towards night because the lights make this place really come to life. I'm going to try to get over here one night and do at least a walk around of this side, not the other side. But if I have the time, maybe I'll do the other side. There's the Art of Disney right there. And also right on down that direction is where you're going to get on the actual boats that are going to take you over to Port Orleans, Old Key West, and Saratoga. So that place right there is designated for that. It used to be a drop-off for the buses back in the day, but they don't have that any longer. So right now that's the only access point you're going to get if you want to take on the boats and head to the other resorts and stuff like that, guys. So right now we're going to head on over to the Christmas tree shop area, the Goofy Candy Company, and the pin station. You've got the little carousel up here, and you've got the pin shop. So there's your carousel. It's a lot of mix and match of stores in here too. This is the fun side. I think that I like to come over here on this side. The other side, there's a couple of places I like to go. Like I like to go to the House of Blues. I like to check out the Star Wars outpost over there. Over here, there's more life over here in my opinion. You've got the Christmas shop. You've got all the, my kids like going on the carousel, the trains, the Once Upon a Toys. They're always looking for new stuff. There's the Earl of Sandwich. That's where I'll be picking up lunch today, bringing that on home. And then we got the Ring Carvers. This place has been here since before time. And here's another Star Wars trading post. So they've got one over on the other side. They've got one on this side. And then you've got your pins in the middle right there. So that's changed over the years too. They used to have a little Winnie the Pooh shop over here. And that used to be another shop right there. And they made it into a pin trader shop. I'm not a fan of that. I like the souvenirs. I like the Winnie the Pooh store they took out. I really miss that. It was an awesome store to go in, and I always bought something there. Now, every time you go in these stores, they're always changing them, and it's not always the stuff you want. Like the Muppets, you're never going to get rid of the Muppets. You got to stop trying to push them out. The Muppets are here. They're going to stay. People want to buy them items. There should be tons of shirts for the Muppets, tons of hats and stuff like that. People want to buy the Winnie the Pooh stuff. Bring it on back. It's really hard to find a Winnie the Pooh stuff now. I usually got to go online to find it, but I like that shop. It was beautiful, and it had so many things in there. Now, you guys see in the distance right there, you've got the water fountain things shooting up out the ground there. That's where you can bring the kids. They can run around, get all soaking wet and stuff like that. Just make sure when you guys come over here, just remember that if it's not hot or whatever, your kids are going to be walking around soaking wet, so make sure you've got towels or stuff to be able to dry them off when they're done. But you got the Bibbidi Bobbidi shop in there. You've got the Once Upon a Toy in here. Now right around the corner up there ahead and up and to the right, you're going to have the Vacation Club. They always got a little tent thing up there. And then you've got this guy here, once again, the pin trading spot. And on the back side of that, you've got the little train. So my kids always like to go on that. My daughter's always disappointed because we always get over here. And for some reason, about 90% of the time we're over here and they're not running the train for some reason. So occasionally she gets lucky and gets on it. Otherwise, she just goes away disappointed. There, and you've got the bathrooms out back there over to the left. You've got this store here. I think we've got this one actually posted. I'm gonna get in and get a fresh one, but it's the old Trend store there. And then you've got your DVC little stop right there. And then over there, you've got your little margarita serving place. And you've got your waterway out there. So now we're on the opposite side. If you guys look through, you can see the paddlefish over there. And we're making our way back around to the stage in the world of Disney. Now as we get up here, we're gonna go by this set of buildings on the left-hand side here, and up on the straight ahead to the right there, you've got the chocolate. So we're gonna make our way down there. We got the Co-op store, and that's connected to the Trend on the other side. And then you're gonna make our way up to the chocolate store, the Ghirardelli. I never say it right, so you guys, if you want, you can correct me in the comments down below. And then you've got another refreshment place right here, snacks, refreshments. You can get just about anything you want just walking around the outside. That's why I like this side more. It's a little bit more friendlier with the stores and stuff like that. The other side's a more formal side in my opinion, but they do have a lot to do over there anymore, so you know, it might be changing. It might be where people want to start heading over there now and stuff like that. They used to have the Disney Quest and stuff like that over there. They've made a lot of changes, and a lot of the building changes over there. The food trucks, they've got them if you want them over there. Over here, it's more restaurants on the side, and it's right here, it's more like grab and go type stuff. So you're gonna go in and grab and go. You got your ice cream shop. So this is your chocolate and your ice creams and stuff like that. And it's the Ghirardelli. And that's been here for eons also, so this one hasn't changed in a long time. Back in the day, it used to be the one of the goofy places where you came in and you got burgers and stuff. And there's the World of Disney right there. So when you guys are coming up, you got the big World of Disney store. And then you've got the basin up here to your left around the corner with the big B on it right there. And you've got the little art store there, the Crystal Arts. And that's another entrance right out that direction out there. That's where we used to walk in years ago before the garages. You used to come in from out there with the old parking lots, and now you've got the garages over here, so you don't really see that stuff out there anymore. And there's your stage right there. So this stage is actually going to get used by different organizations, different schools, different musical groups and stuff like that. Different times of the year, different people in there. A lot of times you can get the list of what's coming, and they'll have it posted right on the monitors and stuff on there. And it's the same thing when you get over to Epcot. A lot of times you're going to get right on the out in front of the stage who's coming, what time of the year, what date they're going to be there. But this is the stage you're going to see there. And once again, I'll look across to the Paddlefish, the Saratoga Resort, the Rainforest Cafe. And then looking back, you're going to see where we just came from. You got the Earl of Sandwich, you've got the Trend store, the Co-op store, the World of Disney, the chocolate ice cream and chocolate store there, Ghirardelli's. And then you've got the waterside stage. I'm guessing because it's on the water side, I guess that makes a lot of sense. And this is one of the other entrances. They've got several entrances to the World of Disney. So this is a super huge store. We're gonna get this video posted. I'm gonna get in there and shoot that one if possible today. But this is one of the entrances there. And in the very middle of that, in the front, facing the water, you've got the Starbucks coffee here. So this is making its way all the way around Disney anymore, the old Starbucks coffee there. So they used to have a little dinky stand. Now they got the big store because it's in such a demand here. They have to have it. And then you've got the World of Disney. And we're almost wrapped up with this one here. We're gonna make our way around the corner, and that's gonna be it. You've got your Lego store. We're gonna get in there, if I can today, get that filmed up for you. But you got the Lego store. We're gonna come around the corner to the actual side of the World of Disney, and that's gonna show you where we finished up on the other side. And that's coming around right now. So you're gonna have Ron John's over here. This is the side entrance and the very end of this side of the Disney Springs. And over to the right, you're gonna make your way over to Ron John's, to Harley Shop, the Orange Garage, to Lime Garage. And this is most of the shopping. That's pretty much the everything not to do with Disney stores. But it's been nice on this one, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.